Hi everyone, welcome to the Cloud Institution. Cloud Institution is the best cloud institution in the Bangalore. So in the previous video, we have covered the git add command. And if you haven't gone through that video, please go through that video to understand what is the git commit. Okay. So now let's see about what is the git commit. So git commit. So what will do means whatever the change you have made, so it needs on some record, right? So it will store the right. It will store the record changes to the repository. Okay. So what again? So for example, it will create a new commit containing the current contents of the index and given a log message describing the changes. So whatever I have made some changes, it needs some kind of description or what I have made some change, and it has some kind of like update of that. Okay, so it has to go with the what git commit only. So to understand that what is a git commit, we'll go through the practical session now. So in the previous video, we have covered the git add already. So you can see that. So git add, so I have covered. Now, so what I'll do here, so to change that means once the git add is done, so we have to go with the git commit. So here I'll add it because I have already made the git add. Okay. So now I have to move into the what local repository. How it will be shown. I'll show you the with the paint. So in this, when I added the what git add, so it has moved into the what staging area. So from the staging area, it has to go with the what this local repository. Okay. So like local repo means, so it has to go with the what git commit only. So what I'll do, I'll use the what git commit here. Okay. Git commit hyphen m. So message, whatever the message you want to give. Okay. So git commit hyphen m message. So if I want to move from the staging area to local repo means I have to give the what git commit. So let's see with the like file structure also. In the file structure, let me go into the desktop. So you can see the git tutorial. In the git tutorial, I have a .git folder. So in this .git folder, there is like only this kind of folders are there. There is no commit log is there here. Okay. So also if you want to see, okay, if you want to see commit logs, you can see with the here in the git bash using a git log. Okay. So there is only initial commit was there when I created the git repository from the GitHub. So that is only one thing is there here. Okay. Now, if I want to whatever the modified I have done and it is in the staging area means I have to go with the what a git commit. So let me go with here one is there. It is showing that modified. So it has to go with the git add. So what I'll do, I'll use the git add file name. Okay. So that is readme file is there. Okay. I'll take that readme file and I'll paste it. Enter. So now if I see again the status, okay, so it is telling like changes to be committed. Okay, I need to commit it this one. So what I'll do, I'll use the git commit hyphen n message I'll give that is added a lines. Okay, so now enter it. So you can see that one file is changed. So now if you see that git status again, you can see there is nothing to commit. Okay. So once you use the git commit, it will be moved into the what? Staging, dot git folder. Now let me show you that file. Okay. So you can see that git, commit edit message. Okay. So here is the track we will be having that. Okay. So let me open that. So you can see added lines is there. So this is how it will come into the from the staging area to the .git folder. Okay. So I hope this video is helpful for you to understand what is the git commit. And in the next video, we are going to see how to push that from the local repository to global repository. Stay tuned for the next video. If you like this video, please hit on the like button and comment it if you have any kind of doubts. and share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.